Hi! In front of me is NOKIA T10 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Security. Then tap on Screen Lock and decide which login method you want to use, pattern, PIN or password. When you're ready, tap on the chosen one. Then create it. Hit Next at the bottom right corner. Repeat it in order to confirm it. And choose Confirm also at the bottom right corner. Now you need to tap on one of those options to answer the question how do you want the lock screen to display your notifications. Show all notification content, show sensitive content only when unlocked, or don't show notifications at all. I will go with the last option, so when I tap and click on Done, I can finally switch off my screen and turn it back on. As you can see, after that, pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!